Well, howdy, Outlaws. This is Mike Outlaw here today, and I am collaborating with two other Foodie Federation members, Marty Kauffman.
Today, we were to talk about, we did a review about the steak nacho fry burrito.
And Chuck's Food Reviews. Yeah, Marty joined the Foodie Federation last year, and Chuck's been with us for years too, as well as their good friend, The Strange Vision. And they decided to do the one chip challenge. I'm a little nervous with this, because this time, when I did it last time, my record's 11 minutes and 28 seconds. This time, this is gonna be tough, because this is gonna have a Carolina Reaper pepper as well as a scorpion pepper fused. This is going to be very scary. And by the way, this is the last time I'm doing a one chip challenge. I'm not going to do it anymore. I mean, because I've been hearing stories about it, but I'm doing this one more time to show you guys I can do it. I'm going to try to see if I can do it in 15 minutes, or at least break my record, which is 11 minutes. So in case I need to read stuff while I'm having this, I'll read this book. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm not touching this stuff right here at all. All right, guys. So before we film, I want to check something really quick. Hold on. I want to make sure we have enough room. Welcome back to Deadly Outlaws. 5-star reviews. Up the berry, now berry in here. So Outlaws, if you're a fan of my content and I'm making you hungry, consider smashing that subscribe button, clicking that notification bell, because every Saturday it's Outlaws Hideout to show you guys like to watch. However, the Hideout won't be back until November 19th, because I'm going to be busy for the next 2 weeks. But yeah, you can check out Marty Kauffman's channel, and you can check out Marty Kauffman's channel, and you can check out Chuck's Food Reviews channel, and you can check out The Strange Visions channel, and tell them Mike Outlaw sent you. Because they're doing the one chip challenge, I am too. So, quick thumbnail. Just don't drop this. All right, so be sure to subscribe there. All right, guys, let's do the challenge, and after that, I'll be it. I got some books I'm gonna read, and I have a fan in the background, so it's not cheating. So, it's only cheating if I drink this. So we're gonna try 15 minutes. I mean, at least break my minute, or 11 minutes and 28 seconds, because that's my record. All right, so we're gonna put it here, and I am never doing this again. This is the last time I do this. Be sure to subscribe to their channels, guys. All right. And thank you for the $18 Outlaw Count Loose, because this is why this is happening. But this is the last time I'm doing this. No more for this again. So it says on here, I crushed a Paqui 2001 chip challenge. I saw a video on Sean Evans' channel, First We Feast. He and Tony Hawk did the challenge. So this 1 minute is powerless, 10 minutes is powerful, 30 minutes is supercharged, an hour is invincible. How long can you last before you short circuit eating or drinking anything for relief? See, I can have this fan on. It doesn't say anything about the fan, so I'm not cheating. Are you a real heat seeker? Well, so we're gonna go ahead and try this right now. We're still recording, good. I am really scared right here. Oh shoot, fell. Here it is, right here. We'll edit that out, that didn't count. I have not touched it yet. So, here's the Paqui right here. It's just something that fell off the thing. Here we go. Holy crap. Oh my God, it's like hell. Look at that. All right, to the Foodie Federation. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh, one more fell down here. All right, I just ate it. I just swallowed it too. All right. That is really, really spicy. Whew, goodness. So if I get it in 19 minutes, we're good. One minute is powerless, 10 minutes is powerful. I'm on fire right now. It says I give up. I'm done. I see I started 4 minutes. I need a 5 minutes. How do they do this? No. We started 4 minutes. We're going to stop at 19 minutes. Yes. Ugh. Ugh. I want to get powerful. It started 4 minutes. Six more minutes, they're going to stop. Fans does not count. A fan is fine. It doesn't count. I have to drink something or eat something. All right, 5 more minutes to stop. I'm never doing this again. This is my last time. We're gonna try 4 more minutes and we stop. 5 minutes, I stop, okay? Yeah. Stop it. 4 minutes. Ice cream's already melting. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it in like 3 minutes. We're just gonna break our record, okay? I did not eat the ice cream. I came close to eating it. We're gonna go 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes, and we'll stop. Two and a half more minutes left. We're gonna stop and drink, eat the ice cream. fan does not count. It says eating or eating stuff for relief. Look at right there. See? Eating or drinking anything for relief. That's what it says. Eating or drinking for relief. I haven't had anything to drink yet. Give me a minute and a half and I'll start eating ice cream. We're now almost 20 freaking minutes for the one chip challenge. This is freaking Carolina Reaper with scorpion pepper combined. It's like a fusion. I'm going one more minute and I'm getting ice cream. I wonder how Chuck's food reviews. Marty Kauffman and a Strange Vision did this challenge. This is not easy. This is pretty tough. Very, very spicy. We're stopping at about T-minus 45 seconds for the one chip challenge. I'll eat the ice cream. But this is pretty tough. Not easy. I had eat the one chip challenge. Very spicy. Oh my god. It's like a bird chip. Very spicy. And I'm not walking this time. I'm just chatting with you guys. And so in 20 seconds, I'm gonna do I'm gonna eat ice cream. And that's it. I saw a video on there with someone ate 30 one chip challenge, or 25 one chip challenge, 30 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm done. I give up, I'm done. No more. I wonder how Gary Kauffman, the Strange Visit, and Chuck's food reviews did. Like I said, Gary Kauffman and Marty Kauffman are a member of the Foodie Federation. Alright, I'm done. Oh, I just turned up cream. Alright, let's eat it. Oh man, this melted so much. Oh, God. Oh, my stomach's hurt already. Oh my god. It did it after I had an ice cream. Oh man. Anyways, that was the one chip challenge, everyone. Subscribe to Marty Kauffman, Chuck's food reviews, and a Strange Vision. Tell him Mike Outlaw sent you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Outlaws Generation out.